This dictation material has been obtained from official para 45. The inquiry officer or the inquiry committee shall within 10 days of the conclusion of the proceedings in terms of sub-rule 6 shall determine whether the charge has been proved. Full stop. If it is proposed to impose a minor penalty, the inquiry officer or the inquiry committee, as the case may be, shall afford the accused an opportunity of showing cause against the action proposed to be taken against him, pass order accordingly, and inform the authority of the action taken by it, and send the whole record of the case. Full stop. The authority, if dissatisfied with the quantum of the punishment awarded to the accused, may within 30 days of the receipt of the case order initiation of de novo inquiry, or it may enhance the penalty after affording the accused a chance of being heard in person. Full stop. If no order is passed within the stipulated period, the minor penalty awarded by the inquiry officer or the inquiry committee, as the case may be, shall attain finality. Full stop. Unseen para. For years, private medical colleges have been trying to introduce an integrated system of education, claiming that otherwise, as per directions of the World Federation of Medical Education, Pakistani doctors would become obsolete after 2013. Full stop. On the other hand, a number of faculty members believed that private medical colleges wanted to introduce the new system just because it needed less faculty members and would reduce expenditures. Full stop. Advisor to World Federation of Medical Education, who visited Pakistan during the current week, rejected such assumptions and said the country should have a medical education system as per its own requirements, and there was no condition from the federation regarding any specific education system. Full stop. In Pakistan, subjects such as surgery, biochemistry, nature of diseases, etc., are taught in medical colleges in different years. Full stop. However, in the integrated system, the students will have to study all subjects simultaneously. Full stop. For example, if a student has to study a disease under the integrated system, they have to study all the subjects such as the nature of a disease, surgery, biochemistry. Full stop. This para has been dictated by Kamran, working as PA in Civil Secretariat, Lahore.